Now exercise 2.2, already we learnt 3 bits completed. Now fourth and continuation. Now find the 0 of the polynomial. Here function of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Then how to find out the 0 of the polynomial? Now that means 0 of the polynomial means if you substitute one number instead of x, if you substitute instead of x, then you have to get that value should be equal to 0. Then that is called 0 of the polynomial. That means it is the 0 of the polynomial means this equation must be equal to 0. That means 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to transpose 3, then it will become minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then if you substitute x minus 3 by 2, you will get the value of that polynomial is equal to 0. Now verification. Now function of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now function of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Then 2 will cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then it is a 0 of the polynomial. Then which one is 0 of the polynomial? Instead of x what we substituted? Minus 3 by 2. That is the 0 of the polynomial. How much we got before? X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then we can say that 0 of the polynomial, when it will become a 0 of the polynomial? If you substitute x value as minus 3 by 2. Next, function of x is equal to px plus q. Now 0 of the polynomial means what? That value must be equal to 0. Now px plus q is equal to 0. Then px is equal to q. X is equal to q by p. Then what is the 0 of the polynomial for that equation? X is equal to p by q. Then here minus q by p. Now what is the equation? Function of x is equal to px plus q. This is the 0 of the polynomial, means the if you substitute one value instead of x, you have to get that value must be 0. Here then this 0 of the polynomial means that value is equal to 0. Then px plus q is equal to 0, px is equal to minus q. Then x is equal to minus q by p. Now verification we will do. Px plus q is equal to p into minus q by p plus q. Then pp will cancel, minus q plus q. Both will cancel, then you will get 0. Now what is the 0 of the polynomial for that equation? Minus q by p. Next one, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial function of x, 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. What is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial? If you substitute 0 in that equation, you will get the value is 0. You will get a compulsory 0. That means 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b is a polynomial. Instead of x, what you have to substitute? 0. Then that value is equal to 0. That is called 0 of the polynomial. Then first function of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Then what is the first 0 of the polynomial? 0. Then you have to substitute instead of x 0. Function of 0 is equal to 2 into x 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. Because if you substitute function of 0, you will get a 0. That means function of if you substitute function of 0, then you will get 0. That means function of 0 value how much? 2 into x cube 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0, because that is the 0 of the polynomial. Then the value must be equal to 0. Now 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b is equal to 0. Then b is equal to 0. Then b is equal to 0. Now substitute this value in second 0 of the polynomial. Then what is the second 0? 0 of the polynomial is equal to 1. That means function of 1 is equal to 0. Now first we have to find out function of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 2 minus 3 plus a plus b. Now function of 1 is equal to 0. That means minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now function of 1, instead of function of 1, what we can substitute? 0. Then minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now instead of b, what we can substitute? 0. Now b is equal to 0. Then minus 1 plus a plus 0 is equal to 0. Now we want a, then we have to take that as left side and transpose 1 to that side. Then minus 1 goes that side, plus 1. Therefore a is equal to plus 1, b is equal to 0. Now here what is given? 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Means if you substitute instead of x 0 or 0 and 1, the value is equal to 0. That is function of 0 is equal to 0. Then first we have to find out function of 0. Means instead of x we have to put 0. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0, because function of 0 is equal to 0. Now 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b is equal to 0. Therefore b is equal to 0. Then what we got? B is equal to 0. Next, second 0 of the polynomial 1. That means function of 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the function of 1? Means you have to substitute in that polynomial instead of x 1. Then 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b. Then 2 into 1 cube, how many times if you do 1, you will get 1 only. Then 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3, a into 1, a plus b. Now what is what we give? The 0 of the polynomial means the value is equal to 0. Now minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. B is equal to, we know already from first equation what you got? B is equal to 0 we got. Then minus 1 plus a, instead of b what we can substitute? 0 is equal to 0. Then a is always which variable you want? A. Then that should be on the left side, remaining all on the transpose to right side. Then what is there? Minus 1. If you goes that side, it become plus 1. Now a is equal to plus 1, b is equal to 0.